at this one-of-a-kind G-Wagon with modifications done by us. Custom laser cut logo, rose gold accenting, beautiful full inside and out, satin gold black dust wrap, rose gold, rose gold, rose gold, rose gold, rose gold, rose gold, custom printed pattern, rose, rose, gold, gold, gold. Okay, not for. And now the lights. We've got here some of the most impressive lighting that's done on one of these G-Wagons. We've done custom ambient lighting with full addressable LEDs in each door, accompanied with the most beautiful embroidery design. The roof features 2,000 stars, complemented by a suede background. One of the most that you can put in one of these G-Wagons. Custom one-off steering wheel. All the upholstery inside converted from leather to suede with extra thick rose gold stitching. The very apparent rose gold accenting on almost every single piece and trim of this vehicle. When quality meets luxury. Take a look. Custom floor mats made out of real cowhide. Because when your feet are tired, you need a beast to handle that. Hey, all the like environmentalists, we've got a one-off rose gold satin chrome roof. This is absolutely beautiful. If you can see this in the sun, it gleams like a star. That same material is incorporated right here with a full custom filigree print. It's absolutely beautiful in person. All accenting has been done in gloss black and rose gold on this vehicle. And best of all, take a look at the custom embroidery and lighting inside. It will impress. If you haven't noticed something particular about this G-Wagon, there are no trims on the body of this car. This G-Wagon has been fully shaved, minus the handles. There are no trims on this at all. We have welded all the holes and the divots, sanded them down, shaved this complete and wrapped it. And this is what gives this a one-off look. We've got beautiful grille accented lighting. We have custom LEDs front and rear with a startup light show. We've got full underglows around the whole vehicle that also change color when you press the brake. So when you press the brake, they turn red, and when you're rolling around, you can have them white. It's a beautiful setup. Now let me show you this. If you take a look, we've upgraded the screen size here. It was a little tiny 6.8 inch, and it went up to this beautiful, beautiful 10.25. This steering wheel is absolutely amazing with carbon fiber and Alcantara accents. This is a true beauty. This entire interior has been remodified, redone. The suede, the diamond stitching, the rose gold stitching, the rose gold accenting has really complemented everything. And if you take a look, there is embroidery everywhere, even in the roof. The glove box. Every little single silver trim, accent, shifter, piece on this vehicle has been accented in rose gold. It's just a pure beauty. The detail work is what we focused on this vehicle. The starlight roof is beautiful. You can change it to any color you would like. Go white, green, blue. You can choose your own colors. You can make it pop with the music, change modes. It's amazing. If you didn't expect this, rose gold. That's what you need. More rose gold. But of course, this beautifully painted engine cover in a beautiful jet flex rose gold. If anybody didn't expect this, rose gold exhaust tips, custom powder coated. Custom wheels with a rose gold chrome logo. Calipers disassembled piston by piston to be powder coated in rose gold with the AMG logo. Beautiful, one off. All right guys, I had to change my shirt just so I can tell you guys this. The biggest detail on this whole entire vehicle is that this was the older 2017 and down body style, the W463. This has a full complete conversion kit to a W464. Now that's the most impressive thing here isn't it that we just put a body kit on here. As you can see, it has transformed to the newest style. Let's take a look at this brush bar. This brush bar right here would not fit on any W463 or 2017 and older. Even if you have a body kit, they're not designed to fit because they are wider. They are wider because the newer versions have a wider front end. We had to custom make, downsize, repowder coat 3 times. After many failures, we got it to look like factory. As simple as all of this looks, the detail work here is what killed us. It took a lot of time to get this done. It was everything that we offer here that we could possibly do. Everything from upholstery, to custom graphics, to custom audio, lighting, electrical, whatever you can imagine, and custom fabrication. We have been applying all of that to this vehicle. I mean, it really comes through and you can see all of the nice details on this vehicle. I mean, it truly is a one-off, and all I can say is we thank the customers for giving us the opportunity to pursue our talents onto this vehicle. This is the creation of all of our talents put together into this vehicle. Now, of course, we can always do more, so give us a shout out and we'll do more for you.